All right, hi Alex. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at some of your questions here from 3.4. The first thing that I'm going to point out though is for number 105, I asked Cade to walk through his notes with you on that one because we did go through that one extensively in class and he agreed to do that. So for that one, please reach out to Cade and just remind him that he agreed to walk through his notes with you on that one. So let's go ahead and take a look at number 80. And this one genuinely is intimidating when we first have a look at it. I'm going to show you what my dog is doing. He's standing on the table barking out the window. So apologies in advance if you end up hearing some barking. Hey Dax, why don't you get down, bud? Thank you. Okay. So the first thing that I want to point out about number 80 is that although this number is very intimidating, when we look at it, we can see that this is actually just a number. It is a complicated number. It's not an easy number to try to figure out. But for purposes of figuring out how we're going to solve this problem, this is a big blobby number, and we can just call it blob. And so when we look at this problem, keeping in such a way that we're keeping in mind that that is just a number, what we can see is we have blob to the 3t is equal to 30. But basically what's in the way is this blob. This blob as a base is in the way. And so when we have a base that we need to get rid of, the opposite operation that we need to do is a log. And so we are just going to take log base blob of both sides. Because it's just a number, and to get rid of that numerical base, we just need to take a log with that base. We do this because this means that base blob and log base blob cancel out. And so we have 3t is equal to log, and now we can plug it back in here so we can see what it is. It's log base 16 minus 0.878 over 26 of 30. And then finally all we have to do is divide this by 3, and so we have t is equal to all of this. Now this is kind of a big mess, and I certainly wouldn't want to try and do this by hand with paper and pencil, but the reality is, as long as you are careful with the parentheses and you're plugging this blobby number in as the base, your calculator can handle all of these operations no problem. So here, the key to solving this problem is just that this number here, as kind of intimidating as it is, it's just a number, and so we can just take a log with the base as that number. So that's 80. I'm going to clear the board, and then we'll move on to the next one.